Hey guys, how's it going? How to fix VPN not working. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and follow the instructions and make sure that your internet is powerful, right? Make sure that you use a powerful connection. First, what you're gonna do if you having problems with your internet connection, make sure that you turn on the airplane mode and then toggle it off, and make sure that you connect once again to your Wi-Fi, and then you're gonna be able to fix that problem in no time. Okay, now what you're gonna do, you're gonna need to go ahead to the general and then make sure that your iOS is fully updated to the latest version by going to your software update, so you can have all the new features including the VPN features. Scroll a little bit down to the general, stay in the general, and then scroll a little bit down, and then you're gonna see VPN and device management, and make sure if you have if you have VPN already, that you already set up, make sure that you delete that VPN by clicking the name of that username or whatever it might be, and delete all of that information about that specific VPN account, and basically you get to fix that problem. Now if you haven't already, just go back to the main settings, go back to your screen, swipe down from your battery and your Wi-Fi connection icon at the top right, swipe down, right, and you're gonna see the control center, and then make sure that you shut down the iPhone, right? Shut down your iPhone and restart it once again, and then you're gonna be able to fix up a problem in no time, because iPhone will be forced to update their apps and their data, and that should fix your problem in no time. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.